I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team.
Ya, oke guys, pagi ini di hari Minggu cuacanya agak sedikit melehoi, tapi kita tetap terus mancing di Telaga Poncol, Bojong Meruyung, Depok. Gimana keseruannya? Mudah-mudahan hari ini ada cinta, mudah-mudahan hari ini kita dikasih rezeki, tetap di Balai Mancing. Oke.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never. Said you felt that way, and guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.
Oke, Son.
Guys, kita pakai hari ini kita pakai terong Belanda. Oke.
Berangkat kita, Son.
Okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
A few moments later.
Setelah ada garuk dan tarukan dilarang menggunakan pendingan, bongkar dan pet. Apabila pelanggar kami akan diskualifikasi dari semua.
Semoga ada hasil hari ini.
Kejuaraan 16, Chaplin. Chaplin 18, Irel. Irel 15. Usang Geni 38, Dia Lopa. Dia Lopa 12, pemain Bojong.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, those whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I'm saying. And they say that she's not easy, though she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so excited. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like the dope thing. You like to get the party going.
Terima kasih.
Kilo 3 on 65 gram.
Nah, ini parah nih. Tenang, tenang.
Kerja bagus.
Parah.
Mulai bang, ada kue awalnya itu, Kecamatan Timo. Adapun anak-anak yang datang, anak-anak yang tersebut, anak-anak yang mencari berbagai daerah kota Depok. Ini adalah relawan dari tim guru. Kami mohon bantuannya, kami mohon keislamannya untuk sedikit menyisikan rezeki yang bisa Allah berikan. Mudah-mudahan akan bantuan Bapak, anak-anak yang terbantu, dan mudah-mudahan Allah akan terus memperbanyak menambah rezeki Bapak. Amin, amin, ya Rabbal Alamin. Dan juga sedikit informasi dari kami, bila mana Bapak-Bapak mempunyai pajak apapun itu, silakan saja berhubungan dengan Bapak pemilik pola pemancingan atau keluarganya dan berunturnya. Nanti dari beliau, ibu-ibu dari beliau akan disampaikan ke kami. Karena di setiap malam Jumat kita melaksanakan doa bersama 221 anak-anak yatim di setiap malam Jumat.
Taji, sabar aja.
Mohon maaf.
Sabar.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bubet punya orang semua itu. Itu siapa ya? Itu kayak siapa nih? Hah? Itu siapa nih? Kau punya berapa ya?
3 on 90 gram.
Hah?
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. It's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me.
ekor.
3 2 1 selesai. 21 dari papan 33 dengan berat 2 kg namun 2 kg. Kedua terletak
A few minutes later.
Ya, oke, hari ini mancing udah usai. Alhamdulillah masih ada cinta. 33 ekor, induk 2, tapi nggak sekolah. Ya, semoga di lain waktu kita masih dikasih cinta lagi. Oke. Ini dia untuk hasilnya. Iya. Apa daya, ini yang dikasih rezekinya ya kita terima aja. Bersyukur, alhamdulillah, mudah-mudahan di lain waktu lebih dari ini. Amin, amin, amin. Oke, sekian dan terima kasih. Semoga kita bisa berjumpa di lain waktu.
Oke, kalau begitu. Oke, makasih.
Mantap, mantap.
Goreng tuh, goreng ikan nih.
Bawa nggak?
Ini lu bikin konten mah?
Ini, Bang Bang.
Oh.
Nih.